Hi, I'm here to demo the new coordinator forms view for Test S. So I'm on Test S for adults. I'm on stage. And so I encourage you all to follow along with me and check this out for yourself. Before I jump right in, I just want to reiterate that right now this update is just for Test S adults. And pretty soon, meaning probably in the next week or so, we'll see the same update on Test S kids. So let's take a look. So I'm on stage. These are test users. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to navigate over to the coordinator forms area. And you'll notice that it looks a whole lot different. So we've reorganized this in efforts to help simplify how to identify which forms you're looking for and how they're supposed to be used. So what we've done is we have categorized them. We have pre-sample collection, compensation, research results, standard results, tiebreakers, protocol deviations, adverse events, coordinator forms for corrections. So all of these expand if you click on this triangle. So I'll do it again. It drops down and it gives you the two forms that are in this category. So we have the test assignment coordinator form, and then we have the contact attempt or appointment made coordinator form. So these are all pre-sample collection. If you need the key, to find the key, you can hover over the words coordinator forms and you get this little pop-up that says click the title to see the icon key. So there's the key. We've um, hidden it a little bit so that we have more room on the screen, but if you ever need the key, that's how you can find it. And so let's talk about some of these other icons. We've added labels to certain categories of coordinator forms where it has been observed that for which forms need to be filled out with caution, meaning make sure you're really ready to fill them out and just be careful overall. So we have a caution label on the pre-sample collection, mainly because of this test assignment coordinator form, as you all know, is so important. And then we also have caution on all of the sample collection category. So we have categories, we have these tags on the categories. You can see down here, these have like if applicable, because not all participants need tiebreakers. Not all participants will have protocol deviations, etc. And then the third thing that we've added are these tooltips off to the side. These are little notes. I think they appear on the let's just check, the four most critical coordinator forms, and I have notes about reminders, what you might need to check before you submit it, just to remind you in the moment. So for example, this test assignment coordinator form, it says caution, verify that eVisit 1 has been completed before assigning a test assignment. So if I hover over it, I'll see that message. So for example, before I submit that, maybe I need to head over to my activity. And so in this example, eVisit 1 is not completed. So I wouldn't want to fill out that form. Let's take a look at some of the other ones. So we have sample collection, this research test sample collection that has one of these tooltips. Caution, verify both consents have been signed before collecting any research test samples. So as you guys know, if you go back over to basic info, you can see which consents have been signed. And then this in-person visit complete, you want to make sure that eVisit 2 has been completed before doing this form. So yeah, this is on stage now. So I encourage you to come in here to stage, click around for yourself. No other functionality has changed at all. So that still means the forms that opened eVisits still have that same action, and forms should generally be filled out in the same order. Yeah, so this is on stage. Today is December 7th, and we're expecting this to go to production on December 8th. And as a reminder, this is just for test S adults. And so kids will have a very similar layout update coming very soon. And let us know if you run into any errors or have any feedback. All right, thanks.